In the first video we took off this tatty old roof and replaced it with this beautiful tiled one with some Velux windows. The link for the first video is in the description below. Well, there we have it. The roof's all finished. We've got all the fascias in, they're all completed. We've got the underlighting in. Come and have a look inside, I'll show you what we've been doing in there. Oh, we're on the insulation. So we got the PIR Celotex insulation. We're going to put that into the rafters. I've put these beams in, these battens, which give you the air gap. You need an air gap between the roof felt, the breathable membrane, and the insulation. So we put these like 50mm battens all the way around, all on the roof. We can butt the PIR up to that. So we've measured up what the rafter size is, 40.5. Set me tape to 40.5. Put that up to the edge, just push it through all the way along. Gives me a nice marker. Get the square on it. The easiest way to cut through this is with a standing knife. So get that lined up where we need it to be. We're just going to go the depth of the blade. Same to the side. Just get the bend roughly on a good bit of wood on the edge of a bench and just give it a press. Cut through the second side. Simple as that. Cut. It's pretty clean. We can take that now and drop it straight into the roof. Slide it up, a nice tight fit is what we're looking for. And push it all the way up to them battens that we put in at the top. Just wedge it in. Beautiful. Measure up for the next bit. Cut it. Stick it in, bash it into place. I say nice tight fit's what we want. Perfect. We're getting there, we are. Keep going. Got to cut the little edge off of that. Use the multi-tool just to trim that down. Makes a nice easy job of it. Get it back into the roof and that'll fit right up to that big beam there. Get a bit of lath and just tap it up with a rubber mallet. Make sure it's all the way home. Lovely. And this is just more of the same, so we just keep on going, keep fitting it in, slide it in, trying to use as much of this as we can with as less waste as we can. Some of the bits just slightly loose, a couple of screws just to stop them falling out, and yeah, just peg them in nice and tight. You won't believe the difference this is making. With every piece of this I put up, the room got cooler on this really hot day. At the end of the day, it all made it worthwhile when I got a little way from the foreman. Oh, bless her. Bye-bye! So we've got all the loft insulated now, and I'm just up the top here building a frame around the skylight. I've come into the little bathroom area and I've hacked a hole in the roof. Oh, and you can see I'm just putting like a timber frame around the outside ready to be plasterboarded. I'm just going to finish off this last bit here. The spacings are all a little bit strange, but we're getting there. Yeah, you can really get a better idea now of what we're doing. Just need two more to come down here to give some support there. So I've just got a couple of them cut off there. And I should be able to bang that straight in now. You can't beat a bit of roofing, lad. Cutting it down, it's good for all sorts of, yeah, fixing and making little bits and pieces like this. And it's as cheap as chips. Chuck some big screws in there. And just to space it out a bit, just got a bit of the old plastic fascia board. Just to bring it out a little bit more. Yeah, I just need another 10mm and that's what this is, so it's perfect. And then the plasterboard, which is the same thickness as this cladding, will sit up into the little ridge of the... There's a little ridge all the way around the outside of that. That slides up into that ridge there, and then we can just fasten that, bang that in there. Oh, nice. Like a little tunnel. Last one. Oh, no. Got a little bit of interference from this bit of wood here. So I have to buzz a bit of that out. Where we're going with it, just there. What a great bit of kit, and I really thought I'd never use it. I've used it so much. For these little tight areas, it's just brilliant. Yeah, it really works well, and when you got like something that's creating a bit of dust, it's a very low dust tool for cutting. So with your big saw, it just throws up loads of dust. This isn't too bad at all. It keeps it really down. And yeah, I mean that's just made light work of that. Yeah, perfect. Couple more screws in there, and another bit of cladding. Oh, that one through the bottom, look. Two more screws in that. I'm well pleased with that. Plasterboard in here. Yes. Yes. Another job done. Oh, you get some plasterboard now. Yeah, cutting plasterboard's much like cutting that Celotex insulation, the PIR. Scribe it with a Stanley knife, straight down, straight line. Come back to your cut and just run a deep blade all the way through it. You've only got to go through 5mm or so, if that. And then you can just lift it onto a bit of board, snap the edge off it and just finish it off. Easy as pie. I'm just going to measure this one up, I've just got to cut it again. So I'm just going to do another little cut there. Snap it, cut through the back. Up we go. We just slide that up into place. Into the recess of the window. Pop a drywall screw in there to hold it in. Time to get some plasterboard on the roof. Fully insulated. I've got a bit of board. Let's try and screw it up. It's a bit hard on your own because it's all of that going on. I did have some fun with this. On numerous occasions I'm up the ladder balancing it, trying not to fall off. But we got there. We did get there. Oh, just put two screws in there. In the wall there. Hopefully they'll just take the weight of that end. I'll slide that across. Yeah, that really worked well. That helped a lot. Cut some right there. We just get it all into place and then we can bang some of these drywall screws through. Oh, don't slip off your... Yeah, there we go. And then just more of the same. Just bang a load of these screws and all the way down the joists to hold it all in place. We've got to cut round the window on this one. I've got the multi-tool again with a hoover just to keep the dust down. Just makes light work of this. It's so easy to use. Like I say, low dust. Really, really good. Look at that for a bit of kit. We'll get this bigger board up. Screw it all in. Just mark your joists out as you're going along so you know where you're going. Couple of runs down there, then bang some more screws in. Cut that one round the window as well. Same with the next piece. Every time I put a new board up, I'm always trying to keep the end to halfway across the rafter. Look at him go, look. Now, if only I could work that quick in real life. We've had to cut round that there, yeah, get that one up as well. Now I'm getting higher and higher and higher, which is getting harder and harder and harder to lift these into place. Here we go, look. It's like a bit of a comedy act, this one. I just need Del Boy to give me a hand or something. Oh, yeah, beauty. Look at this. Now, if I can balance that on top of the ladder, this is my thought. If I can balance it on the top of the ladder, then it's going to hold it up there for me. If I just slide it in, it'll hopefully stay there. What do you reckon? Oh, yeah, okay. It looks pretty good. Let's go and get some screws and hope it don't fall off. Oh, keep moving, look. Brave or stupid, I'm not quite sure which one. Yeah, you might be happy until it comes and lands on your head. Oh no, he's got some screws in. We're alright, we're okay. You wait till the next one. Oh my word. This ain't looking good. This is looking a bit... Don't wobble off, don't wobble off. Oh my word, don't lose it, don't drop it. Look at the concentration on his face, trying to balance this. I should have been in the circus. Oh, got something to give me a hand. It's more fun on your own, isn't it? Hey, we like a challenge, don't we? Oh, here we go, look. Yeah, that one's up as well. Cooking on gas. And if we come through to the inside, I've now got all the plasterboard in done. So the whole lot is all plasterboarded all around the windows, all but for the one little bit up there. So when I finally get, oops, watch the spin behind me. When I finally get these cupboards out in the kitchen, which we are ripping out, the kitchen's coming out next, I can then just finish that wall off. But everything in here is all complete. Looking really, really good, really pleased with that. Nice and clean and tidy with the Veluxes in. And then if you come into here, and we've got the Velux done up there as well, all boarded up, ready to be plastered. Oops. Yeah, so all in all, everything done. It's taken me 4 weeks or thereabouts, working 5 days a week. So I've put some hours in, but we finally got it all finished. Really pleased with the outcome. It's made it look and feel like a completely different house. The room inside is amazing. It's just opened that up, made a big expanse. It's cool in there on a really hot day like this. It's nice and cool with all the insulation. So yeah, it's made a massive difference. We'll have some new windows and stuff in the back here. That's all got to be done. That'll be another video. But if you've enjoyed this, if you've enjoyed the build of this roof and getting that all sorted, I might do another one of the kitchen if you're interested. Drop me some comments if you'd like to see me fit in the kitchen, then yeah, let me know. And yeah, I shall see you in another video. Drop me your comments, always love your comments. Thanks for watching.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.